Oh, now they get worried.
Ready, 2, 1, swing. Go!
That's awesome.
Well, the boys round here don't listen to the Beatles run. Old Bo Cephas threw a jukebox needle at the honky-tonk where their boots stomp all night. What?
That's right.
Yeah, and what they call work a digging in the dirt. Gotta get it in the ground before the rain come down. To get paid, to get the girl, pay your four-wheel drive. Yeah, the boys round here drinking that ice-cold beer, talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Shoot her back and shoot her back and shoot her back a spit. Oh heck. Well, the boys round here, they're keeping it country. Ain't a damn one know how to do the Dougie. No, I'm not in Kentucky, but these girls round here, yep, they still love me. Yeah, the girls round here, they all deserve a whistle. Shaking that sugar sweet as Dixie Crystal. They like that yawling southern drawl and just can't help it 'cause they just keep falling for the boys round here, drinking that ice cold beer, talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Shoot her back and shoot her back and shoot her back and spit.
Let's ride through the countryside. Let's ride down to the riverside.
Hey now girl, hop inside. Me and you gonna take a little ride to the river. Let's ride. Let's ride. Lay a blanket on the ground. Kissing in the crickets is the only sound. We out of town.
Let's ride.
Have you ever got down with her?
Let's ride.
Do you wanna get down with her?
Let's ride.
Girl, you gotta get down with the boys round here, drinking that ice cold beer, talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Shoot her back and shoot her back and shoot her back. Well, I work a double shift at the plant and I work on the outside. And I'd a lot rather be back home making love to my new bride. Well, there's only two things that I want when I'm back in my double wide. And that's a big old groove and a little old you. Now I know you're working every day just as hard as I do. If I didn't think that I might have loved you, but I wouldn't say I do. And there's only two things in the world you need to get close to. And that's a big old groove and a little old you. Well, I got both ends of meeting in the middle, but I can't seem to get them tied. I don't care long as I know you'll be by my side. meeting in the middle, but I can't seem to get them tied. I don't care, long as I know you'll be by my side. When I ain't gonna work this hard every day of my lifetime.
If it's called jumping rock, it's got.
One of these days, everything that I want will be mine.
Mommy.
Honey, you gonna do it again? You gonna do it again? Oh, I think I missed you.
What?
It was slow to start. I think you jumped too soon.
We'll have to come back sometime and get a good camera.
Yeah.